This video I will show you how to make a thick horizontal line in Google Docs like this. After inserting this line, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the horizontal line. You can also write the text on the horizontal line like this. Let's get started. Go up to the format option and click on borders and shading to open this dashboard. Now you will see here two options, top border and bottom border. If you want to write text under the line, then select the first option or select the second option if you want to write above the line. Now border width is nothing but the thickness of the line. You can select any thickness up to 6 points. Here I will select 3 points. If you want to make a dash line or a dotted line, select the option from here, and you can change the color as well from this border color option. Once done, click on apply and the horizontal line with more thickness will be inserted. Now you can type easily on the line. If you change the mind and you want to increase the thickness of the line or decrease the thickness of the line, then just go to border width and adjust the thickness of the line. Now if you want to completely remove this line, then just uncheck this box and click apply to remove the line. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. Subscribe and comment below if this video helped you. See you again in the next video.